Jowie Irungu ulawisikie kwa isitwa yenge ta Jowie muthanani wa umunthi wa utwio wa Kuwaa itina wa Kutw'Iwa owaie mutandithya Monica Kimani mwakani wa 2018 Ayumya utwio musili munene wa makoani Judge Grace Nzioka niweite kana uwaani uyu wai wa kwiyendea kana intentional kwa kutumia muio wai na muisyo niwongeleile kwasya kana kuvangwa kwa kikoki kuyaina uthuku kati wa Jowie na Monica na kwou kikotaki kisa kwithwa kitavangi tweli na musangi kutuelezea.
Akumya hukumu wake nzeni wa High Court kwisuo Judge Grace Nzioka ni utwio Kikw'U musili uwaani Jowie Irungu na ulawisiwe munota Jowie itina wa kwithwa na akwatikanana na makosa ma kumuwaa mutandithya Monica Kimani mwakani wa 2018 valo kuwetwa ta uwaani kwa ngenda yake.
I have ordered that the first accused person before this court being Jowie Irungu alias Jowie shall suffer death as provided for the offense of murder under section 204 of the Penal Code of Kenya. And that sentence is lawfully set aside by a court of competent jurisdiction. That is the order of the court.
Musili uwa makoani nukuweta kumana na kikoki na valo waweta ta uwaani wa muvange musili uota kutumikia kifungo kyake kuwenda death sentence kuyenana na section maneli na ana.
The perpetrator did not have an opportunity to think about the consequences of his action. It was intentional. It was not a defensive act. It was not out of provocation. It was planned, it was intended, and it was executed.
Utauna wangelakana uwaani uta atwaiisye na miathe na vile Jowie waweto ta mundu mwathe na utonya kutwaiisye wathavuka na criminogenic.
The provision of life is the preserve of God. And I find no room anywhere for a person to take another person's life unlawfully. In my very final conclusion, join me in listening to these wise sayings on murder. 1. In the act of murder, one person's life ends, but countless number of lives are forever impacted.
Okwatamba utwio wake jaji nuwetie kana mutandithya tawe waitegemea musini kuona kumana na kikuki yake nyenya waketa wawaio wa musili kana depression nduma na wa stroke jaji kuonania wito wake kikoki cha uwaani.
Murder leaves behind a trail of shattered dreams and broken hearts that can never be healed. Murder leaves behind a trail of shattered dreams and broken hearts that can never be healed. I have said the accused person before me is 33 years. The deceased was 28 years. The act of murder is a heinous crime that challenges the moral fabric of society and demands justice. And so it is not just a loss to the immediate family. Of course it is in the highest degree, but it's a loss to the society.
Kwemwe mutheli Jowie na kwatikania na makosa ma kumuwaa Monica Kimani nyumbani vala waikala musini munene wa Ilovi ya Lamouria Gardens matuko 19 mwini wa 9 mwakani wa 2018 na vala kwenana na prosecution judge waweta kana vatendi Jowie ni wawo waiye mutandithya. Kuripoti Evelyn wa Movo Nyelina Musanyi.